This 2023 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXLX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, a MALIBU interior, sleeps 10, stove-top burner, slide-out, skylight, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, LP detector, awning, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXLX is 5,854 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.